So where are the bulk of these cuts going to fall?
Well, that's exactly what the bank is trying to find out right now. What they're looking at is really they're drilling down into the business to see where are we still competitive. That's why one of the focus points is the U.S., where they're facing very strong U.S. rivals. And the question is, do they still have the capability to compete with them? Do we need to? Can we invest money to catch up with them, or is it simply too late? And are we going to scale back?
How does this play into the fact that Deutsche is paying bonuses to keep, top performers within the investment bank? How do you marry those two facts? You're making cuts, but you're paying top performers.
Yeah, I think the two developments are intertwined and yet sort of independent. The decision to pay those bonuses were made because they realized, especially the investment banking chiefs, that people would simply run away at the best performers if Deutsche Bank didn't pay them well after the steep bonus cut last year. And yet, Deutsche Bank is trying to find out where to cut costs and where to save money. So they're looking at these businesses. And of course, when they cut people, the next bonus round will be that much smaller.
Stephen, the review of the investment bank, was it in progress before word of the search for a potential new CEO got out?
Yes, yes, it was. This has been going on for a little while at least. And the fact that they're looking for a new CEO, that just broke a couple of days ago. It's still relatively fresh. We don't know how this new development will now affect Deutsche Bank's review of the investment bank. It certainly will at some point, especially if Klein has to leave at some point in the near future. And then the next CEO would have to take another look. So it's not clear how the search for a CEO will affect the review.